Hello guys, welcome. In today's video I will show you powerful website you won't believe it exists. I hope that sounds interesting. Come with me. Do you know if you go to this website Gamma, alright, it's already on the screen, Gamma.app, you will be able to generate tons of presentation slides, alright, without you having to type too much or touch your mouse. Just provide the topic and this app will do the rest for you. It's gonna generate the content and it's gonna prepare your slides for you. Isn't that interesting? Alright, so for us to get started, I've already logged in. So visit this website, log in, and when you are here, click on create new. Alright, click on generate and click on presentation, and it will ask you, it will give you this box for you to paste or type in your topic. So I already have one, so I'm gonna paste the mind as the battlefield of the redeemed. So you click. All right, so it's going to generate the outlines, okay, for you. These are the outlines, as you can see. So just go through them. If you're not okay, if you're okay with them, go ahead and hit the continue button. But if you're not okay, you can make some adjustments. So for me, I think I'm gonna make some adjustments here. So I've seen what it developed, so I'm gonna make some adjustments. Let me write, I think I need a conclusion here, and I would equally can I have number one? Let me say, what is the mind? What is the mind? So I think I'm okay with this. Fine. So I go ahead and hit the continue button. Okay. So when you are here, scroll through to choose any template or any theme of your choice. That is if you are not okay with what you are shown here. So I think I'm gonna select this. Fine, I love this. Okay, I think I'm good with that. So I click on continue. So we're gonna wait to see this magic happen. We're gonna wait to see this magic happen. Okay. Okay. Our contents are being developed. Our contents are being developed. Remember, we only provided the topic only. This AI is doing these wonders for us. This AI is doing the wonders for us. Awesome, awesome. This is lovely. So it was able to generate up to 10 slides for us. That is interesting. So when it's through, you just go ahead, click on share. All right, click on export, as you can see, and you have the options to download as PDF or as PowerPoint. So for me, I'm gonna choose as PDF. So download as PDF. As you can see, it's downloading. Okay, let's just give it a little time. Fine, our export is ready, and you can see it here. So click on done. So you can equally choose to present, like to preview it here. Let me click on it. Close this. So there is it. There is it. It equally provided stock images that can reflect the content it's developed or what it's talking about, the mind, the battleground of redemption. All right, what is the mind? You can see. Clicking on next. All right, this is mind blowing. This is mind blowing. This is mind blowing. And remember, I didn't let you know. I think I wrote something. I wrote something, as I said, the mind as a battlefield for of the redeemed. So even if it's changed it, before you download, you can rename this thing again to what you're actually looking for. Remember, you have the privilege to download it as as a PowerPoint slide, so you can change anything here. You can change anything here. So guys, this is super impressive. Gamma.app. So go try it today. I know you got value in this video. Please encourage me by smashing the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions or topics you would want me to cover, please drop them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.